So you may notice we're not at the allotment. We are at the RHS Wisley for the flower show, and was you walking too fast? Yeah. We're just walking in. We're in car park 3082 or something. No, we're in car park 5, which is quite far from the actual main entrance.
Far enough that we got a shuttle bus.
Yeah, there was a little shuttle bus that got us a little bit closer. So yeah, we're just on our way in. I thought I'd just share some of the bits of our day. Some onions. Mum's got a bacon back. So we're going to head over here because that's where it looks like all the there might be some veg over there. So we're going to go over there. So we've just gone all the way around this sort of spiral thing up to the top, and there's just loads. Look how nice this rosemary looks. My rosemary at home doesn't look as good as that. There's loads and it smells amazing. And then it's mixed with lavender, and then it goes back to the rosemary again. Smells amazing. Pears. Ideal, I think. Black Worcester pears. They look nice. They look like oh no, they're not. I thought they looked like conference pears. So I've just walked up the stairs to the sky terrace. So let's have a look at the nice view from up here. This is the view from the sky terrace. Yeah, and then we're going to go up another level now. And this is from the other side. These are celeriac, and ours look nothing like that at all. Nowhere near as big, and obviously they haven't got the bulb on. I'm not sure we're going to get any celeriac this year. And then look at this colour of this kale. Look at that. And with the Belotti beans there. This little archway with some pumpkins. Oh, and also these rows of carrots, Mum, look. They haven't been eaten by rabbits. Just walking under the arches. It's a Turk's turban on there. Oh look, melons on here. Let's turn it round.
Pepino.
Yeah, look at these ones. They look really cool. There's quite a few on the plant, isn't there? So what is it called?
Pepino.
Pepino, right, we'll remember that. Give them a go. And they just videoing this tromboncino here. See if it's as big as my dad's ones, because he's got some big ones hanging in the garden. I think we've decided we want to grow some of these. Look at these. They're called asparagus bean red noodle. How interesting. But this is good, the way they've got the strings going up like that as well.
But you
We
did
could do
start.
that.
You started to do that.
Yeah,
didn't
mine
you?
went straight up.
Yeah.
If we do it at an
Yeah,
angle
but they've
like
got
that.
some. Oh no, that's just for the windows. They've got some that go up. But they've got the poles all the way round.
Yeah.
So you can have
It's a
them.
nice tall greenhouse though, isn't it? Lovely. And this is a rare thing. Outdoor tomatoes without blight.
Not sure if it is.
Actually, we've just spotted it might have it. But I think the idea is that they've taken all the leaves off to prevent it, slow it down. So that's what we should have done maybe, earlier on. Some nice big pumpkins. I'm going to sit here. What a lovely place to sit and have a drink. So, yeah, do you think we can put one of these on the allotment? Yeah, so it's good for lots of different birds and as well.
Nothing that says.
So we've just bought some herbs. Let me show. So it was 6 pots, so like this size pot, what's that, 3 centimetre pot. 6 for £12.50 from Hampshire herbs. They're grown in Hampshire, I don't know what they're actually called. But I'll show you what I got. Oh, my shadow. So I've got a couple of chamomile, which I struggled to get in my local garden centre. So I've got a couple of them. I've got a feverfew, which I've never grown before. I've got, what's this one? Oh, a holy basil, like a tulsi, which is great for tulsi tea. And then I've got a pineapple mint, which smells amazing, and a chocolate mint, which is exciting. And then Mum's got lavender, 2 sort of alpine strawberries, so they're like the little strawberries. She got a rosemary, I think this is a chocolate mint, chocolate mint, and she got a pineapple mint as well. So yeah, lots of herbs. So where are we going now, Mum? We're going
just
home,
looking
or
at.
you want
Well,
to?
I'm just looking. We've done.
We did this bit.
Yeah, that's the allotment because that's the circular bit
Yeah,
that
we
went
only
up.
walked along
So
here
we only
then.
did
We didn't
part
do
of
any
it.
of that.
No,
We haven't done any of this,
no, and we haven't done any of this bit.
and we haven't done any of this.
Although we did go to the glass house.
Oh, actually, we might have parked along here. That might be where we came in.
Oh no, we parked up here somewhere.
We haven't done any of this
miles away.
bit either. There's lots we haven't done. Just
See,
have
look,
to
there's
come
car
back.
park 1, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
Car park 4 is over here somewhere. And car park
5
5's
over there.
10 miles away.
So we've just got off for the little shuttle bus back to car park 5. On our way home now, or we will be. But we've had a lovely day. It is, I don't know, we've never been to, well, I've never been to Wisley before, but it's so well organised, so many staff, even staff opening the door of the little minibus to let you off.
And help you out.
And help you out, which I was quite impressed with, really. And yeah, I just think that it was very well organised, but we are members, so we're going to come back on a normal day, and have another, because there's bits we didn't do. So, but I hope you all enjoyed our little bring along with me video. Is that what you call it? And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.